Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites, SDS for X, a valid Copilot subscription, and a Java or Spring project open. Once done, install the GitHub Copilot plugin from the Eclipse Marketplace, then sign in to GitHub via SDS OAuth. Make sure Copilot is enabled under Preferences, right arrow General, right arrow GitHub Copilot, so suggestions appear. Now position your caret in a source file and type a clear comment describing the function you want. That first prompt kicks off live suggestions immediately. You build on the initial prompt by invoking suggestions with Control plus Enter or simply typing, accept what fits with Tab. Once you get a draft, refine the prompt. Add comments describing edge cases, include method signatures, or show example input and expected output so Copilot targets your needs. Make sure to evaluate suggestions line by line, then ask for alternate completions if the first is off. Use whole line suggestions for boilerplate and multi-line completions for complex logic to save time while staying precise. You finalize by reviewing and testing every Copilot suggestion, run unit tests and static analysis to catch regressions. Once satisfied, refactor for readability and document behavior. If suggestions miss the mark, modify your prompt to be more specific, ask for alternatives, or disable Copilot for that file. Make sure to control settings for suggestion frequency or telemetry in preferences. A key troubleshooting tip. If Copilot behaves unexpectedly, restart SDS and re-authenticate, which resolves most transient authorization or caching glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.